Monalisa Bhosle, who went viral during the Mahakumbh Mela for selling garlands and bangles, got married at Arumanoor Temple on Wednesday, gaining widespread attention for her distinctive amber eyes and social media fame. The wedding was attended by several political leaders, including Kerala's General Education Minister V. Sivankutti, CPM State Secretary M. V. Govindan, and MP A. Rahim. While speaking to media, Rahim emphasized that the marriage symbolizes Kerala's tradition of communal harmony and highlighted that the Indian constitution allows interfaith marriages, though they sometimes face resistance. Sivankutti called it a proud moment for the state, calling it a real Kerala story. Earlier, Monalisa arrived in Thiruvananthapuram with her boyfriend Farman Khan and approached the police, stating her father Vijay Singh Bhosle was pressurizing her to marry someone else. Police confirmed she is 18 and legally free to marry, informing her father accordingly. Her family had initially objected, claiming she was underage, but police verification confirmed her age. Monalisa is currently in Poovar shooting the Malayalam film Nagamma, directed by P. Binu Varghese. Her wedding marks both a personal milestone and a celebration of her independence and Kerala's social harmony.